Hello, welcome back to another entrepreneur training section. My name remains Prince Yemi Kasali. In today's edition, we shall be treating how you can make aftershave at home. You can make it for sales and you can also make it for home use. Making aftershave is a very simple thing. It's also a very lucrative business. We have a lot of barbing salons where you can sell it to, and almost everyone shave at home, especially male, and you can also get in touch with public servants like police officers and civil defense, military, paramilitary groups, and also sell it among them. They shave often and they need to use after shaving. So if you're yet to subscribe to our channel, our YouTube channel, kindly do so. If you are also yet to follow us on Facebook, please do so. It won't cost you anything. Just do it so that you can get more notification of our consecutive trainings. So let's move into the topic proper. To produce aftershave, we need ethanol, we need methanol, we need menthol, we need perfume, we need color and water. That's all we need. So if you're producing 1.75 liters of aftershave, we need 1 liter of ethanol, half liter of methanol, small menthol, then about 30 milliliters of perfume. You can use lavender or blue water, and also you need color, very small. Color is not compulsory, but at least it gives it a new look so that people would not just understand that it's just all about alcohol and menthol. Then we need water. Water can be 250 milliliters. So let's go into the preparation proper. We have our ethanol, this is our methanol, this is our menthol, our perfume, and our color. So I'll be preparing it in my measurement box, and this is water. So I'll be adding my menthol into my preparation cup. That's my menthol crystal. The next thing I'll be doing is to add perfume. I think perfume dissolves menthol easily. I'm shaking it so that it can dissolve. So I just added my ethanol into the solution after I noticed that it has been dissolved. So after adding ethanol, I would have to stir it so that it's well mixed. So the next thing is to add methanol. Note, this preparation is not up to 1.75 liters, but I'm still trying to gauge it. This is why the measurement side is on my side so as to see it. So I'm stirring it together. Already we have our perf, we have our menthol, we have our ethanol, we have methanol. So what we need to add is just water and color. So I'm adding water right now. So immediately I add water, there's change in the look. So it's more white now. The other one was plain, but now it looks a little bit white in look. So if you don't add water and you are adding color, especially when you are adding water-based color, it will only go down, it will not go through. So but because I've added water ahead and the water is mixed with the ethanol and methanol, if I add little color now, it goes through, it dissolves. So please note that there should be water before your color. So that's it. Immediately I add color, it changes look, and this is our aftershave. So our aftershave is complete. I keep stirring. Then I would have to pour this into our container. So I'm pouring into our container right now. So I keep this for some few hours before we start using, just for it to combine. It's not as if you cannot use immediately. Then I think my own color is a little bit deep, so you can reduce your own color, but make sure you don't have too much color. So this is our aftershave. My name is Prince Yemi Kasali. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel if you are yet to do so, and also follow us on Facebook if you are yet to do so. This will enable you to have access to most of our entrepreneurial trainings. Thank you very much.